Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. I boarded the Yankee Fleet boat at Gloucester, Massachusetts, and we are heading offshore for a deep sea fishing trip. Today's target fish are pollock, haddock, or redfish. It's nice weather, it's warm and relatively calm. The boat ride is about 3 hours. I'll update you when I get to the fishing spot. Geek. Okay, well.
2 more medium large pollock down back.
Oh.
Medium large pollock.
Okay. Stop.
Tips up, guys. Keep them aimed upwards. You got a dog fish.
Get one. Oh, my jig. Okay. Ooh. All right. Okay, put the ling. Look at that. Good ling fish. Pretty good. See the gap. See the gap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Great. Thank you. Little creek. It's heavy. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay. All right. We caught 5 ling fish during this trip. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe how to make a steamed ling fish in egg custard meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's start preparing the fish. First, remove the scale, then remove the head and the guts. Slice the fish with the belly attached. Marinate the fish with cooking wine, salt and pepper for about 20 minutes. Prepare some ginger scallion and red pepper thread and soak them in the boiled water. Then prepare some carrot and ginger slices. After marination, add carrot and the ginger slices in between the fish. Prepare 2 eggs and add twice as much water into the egg. The egg liquid gets filtered and add to the fish. Cover the plate with saran wrap and steam the fish for about 15 minutes. add ginger scallion thread and pour hot oil. Finally, add the soy sauce for seafood. This is the steamed ling fish in egg custard. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.